Hi Renata, me again on this cold October Sunday in Germany. The wind blows outside and have a peaceful Sunday. Enjoy the day. I love your video. Cool. Makes me smiling. It's cool to see us real on a video from so far away. It's very nice. Yeah, Oliver didn't come. He had a bad cold too, sick in bed at his home, and my cousin was yesterday buying a new car. Wish you all the best in Rio for your son too, and maybe we meet in chat very soon. Okay, see you. Rock on.